Hi, my name is Murali. I work for a company named TATA Global Beverages as the Global Information Security Head. In the today's world of a threat landscape, protecting one's information assets from the threats looming around the cyber world is of a paramount importance, and in that particular line, the trainer Amar had played a pivotal role in terms of exposing all the participants over here today in providing practical real world scenarios, the tools, the techniques, and made the program as interesting as possible by way of having case studies and group studies with a lot of interaction, not only with the trainer himself but laterally across the different participants who come in from a lot of different backgrounds, experience levels, and different industries. I really enjoyed the program today, and I think a lot of knowledge I gathered today could be put to work right from the day tomorrow in my organization. I think CM Alliance has given this good opportunity. I should thank them for that. Thank you so much.